This program is a cafe ordering system. It asks for menu choice, coffee, tea, juice, or water, and whether it's takeout, then uses match statement to print the price. Based on the drink and takeout option showing invalid input if the menu or takeout choice is wrong, because we should only type yes or no. If else, then invalid input.